Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the theme on the OfferUp app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the look or theme of the OfferUp app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the app, then click on Account. Then from here, scroll down and then click on Account Settings. Now we have some blurred information here, but under where it says Color Theme, this is where you can change themes on the OfferUp app. So you can choose between a light theme or a dark theme. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and customize the theme on the OfferUp app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.